As you can see, these headlights on this 2012 Fiat 500 are in some need of some serious reconditioning. And the oxidation on the plastic is causing the haze to cover the lens, which impacts the amount of light that transfers through. Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to show you what you can do to renew your headlights when the plastic starts to fade, like on this Fiat 500. So start with prepping and protecting your paint by masking off your headlights. First, start with an 800 grit sanding disc for your drill. Or if you're doing it by hand, just get a pliable sanding block for all the contours. Spray a liberal amount of water on the surface of the lens because this will be a wet sanding process. Sand using a back and forth overlapping motion and direction so you get an even application. For instance, if you start going east and west, then overlap it with north and south. Keep applying water as needed if you see the sanding disc starting to burn into the lens. The key is to keep the lens wet. Wipe the lens and continuously check. It should be an even haze throughout. If it's visibly uneven, just simply repeat this step. The residue will generally be yellow in this stage. When it starts to turn white, then you know you're getting close to the completion of this step. Now switch to a 1500 grit sanding disc. Once again, spray a liberal amount of water on the surface of the lens because we are continuing with the wet sanding process. Sand using a back and forth overlapping motion and direction so you get an even application. So go east and west, then overlap it with north and south. Wipe the lens and continuously check. It should have an even haze throughout. If it's visibly uneven, just simply repeat this step. For the last stage of sanding, switch to a 3000 grit sanding disc and repeat the process as you did previously. Each stage of sanding removes a thinner portion of the plastic, which prepares it for the polishing stage. Wipe the lens and continuously check. It should have an even haze throughout, yet more clear than the previous step. If it's visibly uneven, just simply repeat this last process. Lastly, I'm going to use Mother's Power Plastic for Lights to polish the plastic and protect the lens. Simply apply some to a foam polishing tool and apply moderate pressure to work the product into the lens. And polish it with a clean microfiber cloth afterwards. When you think you're done, just inspect it from various angles. And I notice an area down the center of the lens that needs a little bit more work, so I'm just going to continue on with the polishing process. And here's a quick look at the polishing stage of the passenger headlight. There you have it, headlights that look almost brand spanking new, and I never noticed this 500 emblem in the headlights before. And look how clear these turn signal lights became with the wet sanding technique. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.